Okay, now it's time to assemble the roof gables. Now, if you want to come on in here, we're going to talk about a few details that are very important. First of all, they have these blocks pre-cut for you because we need to build what I would call a template so that all of the trusses and the gable trusses all line up and they're exactly the same. This is very important. Number one, in this particular build, this is a 12 by 16 build. The gables are on the 12-foot wide part. This gable end cannot exceed 12 foot, and neither can the ends of any of our trusses after they're built. So we're going to add blocking right onto the plywood flooring. We're going to use some screws to temporarily attach these blocks so that we can create both of our gables, and then we can create our roof trusses. We have blocking on the ends to ensure it does not exceed 12 foot. And then we have blocking up at the peak to make sure that the peaks all come together exactly the same. After we lay everything out, and just so you know, we snapped a chalk line right onto the floor sheeting to make sure that this is straight. Once we got the bottom part of our gable lined up, we're going to go ahead and use a gusset to attach both pieces together using the 6D common nails, okay? We're going to attach the gusset to the bottom part of this gable using the 6D common nails. We're going to use the pneumatic nailer to speed the process up. Once we attach this, we're then going to stand this up, and once we do that, we're going to come back online and show you exactly how everything comes together. Okay, now that we've built the bottom plate for our gable, we're just going to roll this up like this. We're going to go ahead and attach the bottom of the gable into each one of our rafters on either side. No. Okay, now that we have the bottom part of our gable put on, we're going to find our 1x4 drive-on plates, and we're going to attach these vertical uprights into the top of the rafter using these plates. Simply just line the plate up, roughly center it like this, and go ahead and nail it down with a hammer. We're making sure that the top of the gable is to our blocks that we fastened down to the sheeting in advance. We're going to repeat this step for the other gable. Okay, next up, it's time to build our trusses. We're going to find our OSB gussets. We're going to find our collar ties that are already cut to the correct angle, and we're going to find all of our rafters. We're going to lay it out onto the jig that we already built previously and put everything together. To install the OSB gussets, we're going to simply line everything up. We're going to put 7 nails on either side. And for the collar tie, we're going to use 2 screws on either side to hold it together. Yep. Okay, now it's time to put the smart side on the gables. We're going to work from left to right, making sure that there's no overhang on either side. But we are going to make sure that there's still that 3/4 of an inch in overhang on the bottom. When we line the smart siding up, we just want to make sure it does not extend past the top of the rafter, and making sure the whole entire time that we have a 3/4 of an inch extending out across the bottom of the gable. I'm good. Kurt, you flush? Yep. After we installed the smart side, we noticed there's a little bit of an overhang here, which is no problem. We just have to trim it off flush.